So, g'day fellow coin collectors, how you going? And today I have some new items. So, let's go ahead and see what I have. So, first I have these. Oh, buying some silver to cover 40 fiat currencies. So, 1946 shilling. This is the first year that the shilling was made 50% silver. Before that it was 92.5%, and it has about 40% copper, and I think it has tin, so it's a bit worn, but I brought that for close to bullion value. I think it's roughly about $2 or something like that, but pre-decimals are nice. The exchange with current coins, this will be a 10-cent coin. And I have some other coins. So I have a 1961. Nice florin there. Looks like it has a S on the star, but let's have a look close up. No, it's just a mark. Have a nice sixpence from 1962, and this is almost uncirculated. You can tell by the coins, or probably extremely fine, almost uncirculated grade. That's a pretty good pickup for me. I have another 1961. That one, it's in pretty much the same grade. Probably very fine, extremely fine. Have an Iran 10 reals, so you can see the numeral 10 there. That says reals. Here's the royal crown, the coat of arms of Iran back then, and I think it's Shah Pahlavi. So 253. I think that's a 4. And that's not an Islamic date. I think it's the date of the founding of Iran, the Achaemenid Empire, which will be 2,500 years ago. So that's most likely what that date is. And yes, so they don't use 10 reals anymore because it's about 23,000 reals per $1. And here we have a jersey, 1 penny or 1/12 of a shilling, celebrating the 1066 invasion by the Normans of the United Kingdom. So 1966, the commemorative. I think there's like a few million of these minted, so this one's actually pretty good. Something I've been after for a while. That's it for that. Okay, I've got some, looks like banknotes I've got here. And yes, some beautiful, these are all stuck to the paper. Vietnamese banknotes. And here's some more. So what have I actually got here? So I have different series. So I have a North Vietnamese 1958 series, 2 Hao or 22. With in Australian currency will be equivalent to like 20 cents. So 0.2 of a dong. I have a set of South Vietnamese. So these were preliminary issued. These are supposed to be issued in South Vietnam. These are run off free, so 511, 727, 728, and 729. And here's a separate one I got. So they have communist themes, so people harvesting wheat, which they do in the colder areas of Vietnam, and education. So these were apparently captured by Americans in bulk, so they were not issued in 1975. And the 1 dong is generally the most common that you would actually get on the internet. so it's nice. Indochina, pretty high grade, 20 cents, issued during the Second World War by the Vichy French government. So I think that's Lao there, I think that's Cambodian, Vietnamese and Chinese. And this replaced the silver 20-cent coin that actually had in circulation at the time. And I have some other banknotes, get rid of the sticky tape. So some other banknotes from Vietnam as well. So I have the 50 cent as well. So that completes my set of high grade banknotes of this type. I do have low grade ones, but these ones are actually not too expensive. Another one of the same series as this one, but this one was the lowest banknote you could get, the Tensu or Yaho, and it's pretty basic. I think these were printed in China. They have the characteristics of Chinese banknotes with all these line patterns around it. So that's nice. So I actually got all these off eBay. eBay's a pretty safe place to buy most of the items I actually get. And here we have a harder banknote to get, 100 dong from 1955, South Vietnam. And this series here, tractor, and on the back it has a phoenix. So I was pretty lucky to pick that up for a low price. Here I have a 1 piastre, nice banknote. Has a tiger as a watermark. And I use that for South Vietnam as well. And this says Cambodia, Laos and Vietnam in the title. And this one is, I think this might be the Vietnamese issue. So I need to look that up. Here I have, did I get another one? No. Here I have a South Vietnamese Ting Dong. So this completes my series of the first issue of 1955 series, or 54. There's a confusion on the date. And this was pretty much the same colour and design as the previous 10 piastre, but the design's a little bit different. So here we have boats on a coastal scene, so that's a nice series to get. Oh, and so move those to the side. I like to collect Vietnamese banknotes, they're actually quite interesting. I find that country quite interesting because of the complex history, as well as Cambodia and Laos. Yeah, but Thailand's okay, but you know, Burma's okay, but they only had like one issued by the government. So got some more coins today, which is nice. And these are Mexican and oh man, so much sticky tape. So I have to try and get these out. I'll just pause it while I open it up. Okay, so that took a while to actually open up. So much plastic. So I have a bunch of Mexican coins, 2 Saudi Arabian, and some, I don't really have many Polish coins before, but now I have quite a few. So Saudi Arabian, I have one of the old 5 halala, and this is the smallest coin you could actually get in Saudi Arabia. I think it's worth about 1.3 cents or something like that. 13.92, and yeah, it's not a bad coin. Has the swords and the palm tree. Here I have a pre-decimal coin, so I think before it was 1 real equals 40 halala. I need to look that up again, can't remember. And these are coins of 1, 2, and 4. So this is the 2. I think I've nearly completed this series. Just need to get the half, quarter, halala. And this one is, I think, before 1960. So 13, is that 79? So yeah. Then our not Polish, Mexican coins. So this is the smallest one. So 5 centavos, 1968. Mexico, not bad. I've already got that one. What's the other small coins that I've got? I've got a 20 centavos, so this is my favorite Mexican coin. Has Teotihuacan, which is a giant pyramid near Mexico. And it wasn't built by the Aztecs? Inca. Aztecs, yep. Inca was in Peru. Aztecs, so that is pre-Aztec era. Then I have a lot of hyperinflation coins of 5, 10, 20, 100, 50, 100, 1,000. So I need the actual 500. So what I have is 5 pesos, 1972 and 1981. So during the 80s, they actually started to get hyperinflation. They actually had to reduce the size of the coins. So this is the largest 5 pesos, the smallest one, and the smallest they actually got was that big. So you see what happens when you have hyperinflation in fiat currencies, which what we have now, because of economic mismanagement. Venezuela's going through this, but they don't really issue coins, they just issue banknotes. They try to hide the situation. So, 25 centavos, 1953. Didn't know that actually was in there. So all Mexican coins have the coat of arms on the back. Oh, it went rolling, rolling, rolling. And then I have another 1 and 10 pesos. So 1981. I already got these, so I don't need them. And I don't really like that eagle, the way they've done that. It's just lines. So that's good. The 1 pesos that they used up until 1980 something. They did reduce the size, but I don't have that coin. And then I have 1985, 5 pesos. And 10 pesos, 85 as well. 20, which I don't have, 1985 as well. And these ones all have a portrait of the person, except for the 5. And they change the eel back to the better version. Okay, 50 pesos. This one has Palenco. To look up what it is or who it is. Maybe it's just a carving on one of the temples. 100 pesos. And as you can see, the pesos actually uses the dollar sign. Or peso sign in this case. And the 1,000 pesos, and I believe this is the highest coin, so this is 91. The peso was redenominated in 1994. 1,000 pesos equals 1 new peso, so this is 1 peso. And it's quite a large coin. If got the 2 pesos that's used currently, but now they've actually taken the N off for Novo. So as you can see, this is actually a nice series actually. And I've got the series and I need to do a video on it. And then I have Polish coins. So it looks like I've got the whole series. So I think I need to do 1, 2, and 5. So 10 groszy. These are all pretty boring. They actually just have the denomination. And the white eagle, Polish eagle on the back. So 1972. Got some silver coins there. 10, 20, 50. 1 zloty. So 1 zloty equals 100 groszy. 2 zloty. This one's a bit of a design. 74. Another silver. Here's a smaller 2 zloty. And 82. 5 zloty. As you can see, it's pretty boring. Do I have 10 zloty? No. Doesn't look like I do. 50. This is 1990. 20 of an early issue. And this one has a commemorates Marcelli Novotko. Not too sure if it's W or V. And this is the 20s of 1976. And here I have 2 zlotys from pre-war Poland 1932, 33, and looks like 33 as well. The silver coins, they just have the Polish eagle and allegorical feature of a woman. Then over 50 zloty from the current series. Haven't got this, quite small. I think it's about two or three to $1 Australian. So those are my new pickups. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have an awesome banknote collecting time. Bye.